What's up, guys? Let's see. No sound detected. What do you? Oh, there we go. I hope sound's detected. How's everyone doing this evening? This is a Power Hour. If it's your first time joining us, at least this is what we kind of call the last hour of the market, just Power Hour. Sometimes we get some pretty good volatility in this last hour, but it's Friday, so don't really know. We will just see what happens. Right now, we're just kind of consolidating. Hopefully, we're consolidating for a pretty big move to the upside, but just got to kind of be patient, wait and see. Definitely had a bigger move over the lunch hour than expected. We pretty much just had almost like a V-shaped reversal here. I mean, we pretty much took out those lows, and I think we swept that daily gap down there. And so we just been kind of just straight up since then. Is everyone ready for the weekend? I know as far as ES goes, we got support between that 55 and 60. So I kind of took a trade off of that 50-55 earlier. I'm wondering if we reclaim the 60, that should get the bulls back in control. And so hopefully the upward trend can continue. What's up, man? How are you doing today? How's your trading been today? Have you been are you green for Friday? So far, this has been a really good trading day for myself. So we're trading two of these Bewley evals for the Power Hour. And we got a little bit of profit that we can risk, but we're not going to go in heavy. So just 2 or 3 micros just so we can hold on to our green day. I'm going to try not to risk no more than $100 today as far as Power Hour goes. Trader, did you Oh, you logged in first with the wrong account. Oh. That's all good. Nah, it's been a really good day of trading. This has probably been one of my better days, man. It's been like no do wrongs today. It's like you buy every pullback, and every pullback's been paying today, like all the way down. We sold off almost 300 points this morning. I think I traded like 7 or 8 different eval/funded accounts today. We copy traded 3 funded accounts for $100 a piece. So we're about $400 away from payout with Apex. It's getting there. Wish it was a little closer, but I did take a $100 loser on Monday. What's up, Greg? How are you doing today? Mark, Jesse, Leah, Bob. Ooh. Now I'll stick with Trader G. Let's see. I tried to take your name off. It wouldn't let me. I don't know how to do that, I guess. You have a nice ES long from the 6097. I know I was expecting us to like just consolidate pretty much off and on for the rest of this evening, but man, we had a nice move up. Almost wish I'd have stayed on. What's up, Fred? How are you doing? What's up, Midwest? Right now, we're just kind of waiting on see if we get some kind of setup for Power Hour. Sometimes I don't really know what to expect on Power Hour. Sometimes we get some really good movement and setups, and other times it's kind of like this. How many of your accounts do you still have Trader G from when you stopped trading, like not trading as much? Are you still sitting on a good amount of accounts? Uh-oh. Wait a minute. All right. What's up, Ron? RX, how are you guys doing this evening? I'm kind of liking the long above this 805. We may take a little stab at it. Got a nice little bullish pinning going on here. Pinned it. Let me make sure I got. We'll see if it holds up here. What's up, Jeff? How are you doing? Thank you, Swansack. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong there. I'm horrible at pronouncing names sometimes. What's up, Russell? Mark? Thank you guys for joining. I was waiting to see if we're going to break out of this this bullish flag here. I've been using this one indicator on TradingView that draws out your bullish flags for you if you have them. I kind of like it. Like, you don't have to think about it. It just draws it for you. See? It's pretty nice. See if it stays in effect here. We definitely got a lot of resistance and consolidation around the 805 here. A pullback to the 780s. My only thing is I don't know if we can get through this session mid, well, at 87s. Just have to be patient, wait and see what happens. What's up, Scott, Anthony, Jackson? Thank you guys for joining, saying hi. This is Power Hour. If you're new to trading, this is the last hour of the market. I don't know. I mean, I know everybody's a little different. I know some of the people that usually hop in my lobby, they trade on seconds, like 30 seconds, 15 seconds. I like watching the higher time frames, but most of all my trades are taken off the 1 minute, Paul. I didn't really know what next week was going to be like, Fish Lips, since it's a rollover week next week. I didn't know if next week was going to suck just because of being a rollover week. But I also like watching the 5-minute charts and the 15-minute charts, but I like taking all my trades off the 1 minute. Getting tight, guys, getting tight, getting down into the funnel. The end of the year kind of marks up a big push as possible. I'm looking for a push up right here. I'm kind of looking for us to go up here and fill in this gap here. What's up, Max? How are you doing today? I'm over here giving my information away, Fish Lips. What's up, Dev? Gabriel, how are you doing? Wing, Jordan. Whew. Man, I bet you when it goes, it's going to probably be like a rocket ship. Man. Hopefully this isn't what the whole power hour is like. This will be a pretty crappy power hour if we have to sit here and just consolidate for 45 minutes all the way up until the last 10 minutes there. Yeah, this is a horrible power hour so far, Cal. Horrible power hour. We're just consolidating sideways. That's the way it usually goes. Sometimes it sucks because I'm thinking maybe we don't get a big move during the lunch hour. And I come back, we hit this big move. Then when I get on at 3 o'clock, it's just choppiness sideways. What do we got? Are our pennant still holding? Yeah. I'm still waiting on a possible long setup. I'm not really buying into the shorts at the moment. What's up, Clarity? How are you doing? Tryon, Reed, JR, Christine. So we are trying to make a little push down, but man, I don't really know yet. I was kind of in a long bias. I thought we were going to break out of this pendant to the upside, then can look for a possible long. I guess the other thing we can look for is a bounce at the 87s, possibly. Let's see if we can touch it there. All right, here comes our mid-session bounce. We're trading the NQ Cal. And these are contracts, future contracts. Well, trader, looks like you're going to get that 80 pullback. Could have a nice little, well, we're going to maybe a nice little wick bounce. No, we just roll right through that wick. All right, there's your 80 push. Let's hope it stops here. What did the ES bounce off of? Did the ES bounce off the 50 again? I want to see if we get back above 87 here. What's that, the 250Ks? Nice. Nice call out on the 80 retest. I kind of want to see if we get back above the session mid here at 87s. Oh, crap. I just realized that we're at the... I just realized that where we're at, I didn't realize we're at the bottom of the initial balance low here. Man, that's all that was a trade back up into the initial balance. Thank you for the follow. Thank you, Brenda. What's up, Iceman? How's your day been? So 66 is kind of like your next bounce spot here too. Trader G, did you get long at that 80? What's up, Lucky? How are you doing today? Maria, Chris. If we get back above 87s, I think you'll be good. That's kind of the area I want to see us back above, is those 87s. Or even back above 90s. That'll be kind of back above your IBL, your initial balance low there. So, excuse me. All right, here we go. Come on, let's squeeze on up. Let me make sure we get through that 90 first. I don't like buying around the 90 area. There's always too much. Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing it squeeze. We just need to get above this 87 and the 90 here. Even if I take a trade, we're only going to be risking $30 at the most. Could not get above that 90. I feel like the 90 is the key here. And that's at your opening range low and your initial balance low here at the 790s. Here we go. It's making a run. The fish looks tired. Okay, so you're kind of thinking maybe this could just be a little bear flag setup for us to sell back down, fish lips. Oh yeah, definitely not a lot of volume to push it up fast. All right, we're just going to risk 30 bucks on this trade here. And we'll use 80 as our stop loss. And that's about where it consolidated at a while ago. Oh, I'm sorry, 60 bucks. 60 bucks we're in this trade for, not 80. I mean 30. If we can't get through the 90s, we may even close it a little early and just look for another setup. These are 90% evals, guys. No funded trades or anything like that. So these are a little bit more aggressive trades. I think above 95, we may go to break even here. So it'll make a run for it or it'll come back and stop us out for break even here. Because most time we run into some resistance at the whole numbers here. Oh, we're hitting right at the whole number. Okay, well, you got it. You got it. Good deal. Whew. Yeah, I was a little nervous on the whole number there, Fish Lips. I thought, man, that 800 hit might have to get some little bit of a reaction there. I'm going to try to take this up to the 30s. We need to break this trend here, right here at the 805s. That's kind of where we were stuck at earlier. We could hit this 805 again, kind of like another brick wall, and just reverse from there. You thinking maybe run to read, what, 820s for a retest? What's up, Christian, America, Carlos, Chris, thanks for the follow. All right, let me do the 820s, and that'll be 30 points, right? 30 points for 820. I was thinking, I don't know what I was thinking about my entry. So, yeah, that'll be a 30 points. That'll be another 60 bucks added onto this trade. Trader G's getting paid. Trader G hopped in at around 80, I think. He had a little bit more courage than I did. I was waiting for the safer play, Trader G. I was like, I'm going to wait for us to get back above the initial balance low and the initial balance opening range low, and also your session mid. So, all right, so we're looking for about 10 more points. I think we'll run into some resistance at the 813s because that's going to be your opening range high from this morning. Maybe a pullback to retest at 805s, maybe. Man, if we get through this level, it should go fairly quick. Come on. $820 and you're done? I don't blame you. I wish I had another eval to trade because I'm still trading on the ones from this morning. I figured we're just going to try our best just to add to our profit because this pushed us over 225 at the moment. And I don't think it's added in this yet. I think I am going to go to 800 though, just so I don't lose all the profit. At least we'll take a little bit out of it if it does come back and stops us out. Thank you for the follow, Corsa. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. We're also trading on YouTube Live also, guys. Look at this nice little setup with they draw out the little pennants for you for your bear flags. I'm hoping that even if it pulls back, that 805 is going to hold up. that's the area we're looking to hold up. We had a lot of support and consolidation in that area. I mean, I still think we're moving up. If I'm looking at the trading view right now, it's showing bullish. So I think we're still good. We just got to get through this opening range high. If we get through that, it should blast a little bit. This indicator is also free in the Discord for anybody that likes to use the opening range high, low, the initial balance, and the session mid, which is your 50% usually mid session of your chart. And it's under initial balance. Uh-oh, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't realize I didn't have my picture thing up on. Nobody said nothing. Sorry about that. I didn't realize I didn't change over the picture on the Streamlabs. I've been so focused on the charts that I haven't been paying attention. Come on. Thank you, San. Mass, this is a prop firm trading. And these are evaluation tradings here. Usually on my prop firm accounts, let me look it up. So usually we're risking what? $10 a contract. And we're trying to make $100 per trade on the fundeds. So what is that, like 10%? No, 1%. Yeah, 1% on the funded accounts. So we're risking $1 per contract, or we're usually risking 10% or 8% per trade. Woo! Nice trade, Trader G, from the 80s. That's 40 points. Nice on the 25Ks. Nice. I was worried that we weren't ever going to be able to find a trade in the power hour. It worked out great. All right, so that puts us up to 284 for the day and 161 on this one. We still need about $1,500 more to pass this evaluation. And we're still a good long ways from this one, $2,000. We will get off of that account. So we will not take any more trades on that one. One mini, 40 points. Holy goodness. What is that? 20 bucks a point? So what's 20 times? How much was that? 20 times 40. Woo, $800 trade. Nice. Nice $800 trade there, Trader G. Nice way to finish Friday off too. I think I probably made between $1,200 and $1,500 between all my accounts today. So it was probably one of my better Fridays. Yeah, I don't blame you. And was that a funded account too, Trader G? Thank you for sharing. Oh, nice. Even better. Funded account? Heck yeah. I'd never trade funded accounts during power hour. I wish I had done that. That would have been a nice one. Oh. Sorry about that, methodical man. I had my mic turned all the way up. Sorry if my mic was over loud, guys. I didn't realize it was maxed out there. Sometimes that happens because I'll turn it all the way down and then I'll turn it back up, and I guess somehow I always go to max. Is that better? What's up, Primetime Trading? How are you doing? All right, guys, on this trade here that we just took, we got long right as we crossed this opening range low here, and we took it for 30 points. We had 3 total contracts. We took 2 off at 10, and we got 1 contract with 30-point runner. Nice. Hey, nice 80 call out, man. That thing was on the money. Where did you even get 80 from? Like, where did that come from? Was it the top of this here? Or that? Or was it this area here? It's a secret. That's okay. If you're in here, as long as you're in here sharing the secrets, that's all that matters. Even though I was 10 points behind you, I'll take the 30. I think I could have stayed in for up to 8:30 because I think it's going to clear out this gap here. Let's see. Guys, for anybody that... Okay, thanks. For anybody that follows, I'll follow back on TikTok, guys.
Post your Cash App.
See, follow back. Just give me a minute and I'll hit the... break out the cell phone and hit the follow backs. So we got about 10 more minutes before the death candle comes. I'm still feeling like we're moving up. So we'll try to find one more trade. We'll risk 40 bucks and see what we can get. Especially if we can form another little bull flag here. Definitely, I would like to see a pullback maybe into the single digits, maybe back into this area, clear out this gap here. I don't want to jump in too early. I like to kind of hold off to right before the 350 candle. We're trading futures user 76 on the NQ. This next trade's just kind of entertaining purposes only. I don't know how much of a setup it's going to be. We're just going to join in and just see if we can catch a ride up for the Murderbot candle. But I don't think I'm going to join in like I did yesterday. I think I'm going to set it up at a spot because I did that yesterday and I got stopped out and it ended up going down anyway. So I'm going to try to stay away from that this evening. What's up, Aaron? How are you doing this evening? How you doing, S? Thank you guys for sharing and liking. Here's our 21 EMA pullback. This is the level I want to see hold up. This 805, 806 area where we consolidated here. We had a lot of consolidation in this area. Yeah, those things expire. I didn't even know that was a thing until recently. I can't even. I don't know why it won't show the linked. That's the only thing I don't understand. I don't know. Well, that. Yeah, I think that'll work. No, that's not it. That just goes to YouTube. Whenever I go and find like the invite for the Discord, for some reason it won't show it to me. I've never seen that before, so I don't know if I did something to cause that. Let me try this one. Nope. That just takes you to the YouTube page. Okay, I think I found one that works. At least I think it does. Let's see. Well, oh, let's see here. Okay, I see it in here. I was just trying to figure out why my link wasn't working. Trader G. All right. Yeah, I'll definitely look at that in a minute. I'm not really sure what's going on with that. I'm sorry, Raven. What were you asking me? Yeah, those are the EMAs I'm using, except for I'm using 50 instead of 55. I like to see us get above the 65s first, just because we consolidated so much here. So I don't want to be faked out and we get stuck here at the 805s again. Because we still got 5 more minutes left before the sell-off candle. I'm going to take some risk off just in case it stalls out. So we're just going to be risking 30 bucks on this trade if it comes back and stops us out. But that 05 has been kind of like a nice little wall here. I mean, we've had a lot of consolidation in this area. I'll go to break even as soon as we hit that opening range high there, because I don't know if we'll get stuck there. There we go. Push it. We got about 2 minutes left before the 250 candle. I figured we'd get stuck at that freaking 813s. I'm sorry. What is that? 5 plus 2. So that 40 bucks? I think. Yeah. No, 20 bucks. I'm sorry. So $4 times 5. So yeah, 20 bucks if we get stopped out. All right, we got 1 minute. We could get stopped out here because this is your 350 candle coming up in less than a minute. So we could easily get wicked out and go either way. So this is definitely a 50-50 trade here. Unless it stops us out beforehand. I'm hoping these 805s hold up. That's what I want to see hold up since we've had so much consolidation in that area. All right, 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left before your death candle. I didn't get this candle yesterday. This candle failed me yesterday. I got stopped out. We'll risk a little bit more. We'll risk a little bit more. So we don't have quite such a stop loss here. So we'll just risk $40 on this trade. How's that sound? We'll just do it even 40. If it stops us out, we'll just be down 40 bucks. All right, 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Nothing like the 350 candle excitement here. All right, 5 seconds. Is it going to be a dud or are we going to get some fireworks? Oh, come on. I didn't want to get wicked out. It was kind of a dud candle. We switched accounts, so right now we're up 160 today from this account. Overall, we're up 823. So if we take a loss on this candle here, we'll just be down to 120 for the day. Hopefully this whole number saves us here. Hopefully get a little whole number bounce. No, it looks like it just want to continue selling, guys. Yeah, we're going to get stopped out. Oh, well. It was worth a try. It was worth a try. So that was probably going to be my last trade of the day. So no go on the 350 candle there, guys. So the way I look at the 350 candle is either I'm going to get a nice big move with low contracts, or I'm going to risk anywhere between 30 to 40 bucks for the trade. I'll never like over leverage or go all in or anything stupid like that. It's always small amounts, especially for green for the day. So I traded a total of 7 accounts today. We're up 284, 123. These are Bulanox accounts. We did not trade the 2 Bewley fundeds. We kind of just left those be. And we just strictly did Apex this morning. J Money, this is a Ninja Trader. And these are Ripnik accounts. Oh, you feel like this is kind of where we're going to be hanging around until Monday? I feel like I did my best on Apex today. We traded 3 funded accounts on Apex and we copy traded this morning. And we just did $100. I did take a $2 loss because I tried to trade earlier and I went to break even and we had some slippage for about $2, which isn't too bad, but we still made 100. We're only 4 winning trades away from a payout on this Apex account here. So that's the closest one. No, J Money, these are through prop firms. I'm trading like 2 different prop firms, usually Apex and Bulanox. Yeah, it's been a really good trading day. I'm glad. I'd much rather have that kind of trading day than, blow up or go tilt on a Friday evening. That's the worst. So that's why I usually just trade a couple micros on Friday evening in case there's that oopsie doo. What's up, Methodical Man? Have you been on here the whole time, Methodical Man? Yeah, they connect to Ninja Trader J Money. I've been using Ninja Trader for about not quite 2 years, but pretty close. About a year and 10 months. So when I first started trading, I used Tradeovate for a few months. Then they had a lot of Ripnik issues. We trade micros for most part. On 50Ks, we usually do 10 micros, pretty much a mini, and we just sell off at different ranges. Because I like to play the runners. I like looking for those big 30 and 40 point moves on runners. Except on funded accounts, I've been doing just a hard 10-point stop. So I'm looking for 10 points or I lose 10 points. So for the last 2 weeks, which I've only traded my funded accounts for the last 2 weeks, it's only been 3 days. Last week, we had all 3 days were winners except 2. It was no trade days. This week, I didn't trade 2 days. I wasn't planning on it. It just happened. So Monday, I took a loss of $100. But then yesterday and today, I took, back-to-back winners. So for the last, 10 trading days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5, 6 winners and 1 loss with the funded accounts. So it's been good. I don't think it's hard. It just took me a minute to get used to. I think it's like anything new with trading. You just have to use it a while to get used to it. I actually felt really uncomfortable with it when I first started using Ninja because I use Tradeovate, and Tradeovate's super simple to use. It's very user friendly. To me, the hardest part with Ninja Trader is the setup. Getting it set up is what's the hardest part to me. Like it was on the phone a lot with the Methodical Man, asking him stupid questions or looking up videos or something. It was more difficult to set up than it is to use. Methodical Man, did you take any longs or short at the end of the day here? Oh, you're welcome, J Money. If you want to learn more about it, it's a little bit more clear on the YouTube page. If you come over to YouTube, you kind of get the full screen of it and not just a little piece of it. If you're long now, you definitely got to have this mid-session hold up right here at this 50% here. You need this opening range low to hold and your session mid to hold. Okay, so yeah, that would be my idea. If we lose that 90 area or this area, you'll definitely change I would probably be looking to change my bias. What sucks is this is actually a bear flag setup, and I missed that a while ago. I didn't even notice that. Look, this straight down, then right there. Look, I missed that. Wow, that's pretty good. Doosh, doosh, doop. we missed the bear flag on that one. That's funny. You're trading on the Weeble. Yeah. Are you trading evals on there, J Money? Is that what you said? You're trading on the Weeble? Oh yeah, I'm not taking any more Trader G. I think I'm done taking trades for the day. I'm definitely not going to take any more on my Apex accounts. So it's nice to see all green. We want to keep the green. Okay, so you're trading your own money on live accounts, trading options. I've done options a little bit, but I'm not that familiar with them, just very, very little. I've been doing this type trading for almost 2 years, and I'm just now getting to the point where I feel comfortable with the setups that I'm looking for. Like, I would even feel comfortable trading my own money if I had to. Like, I feel that comfortable with looking for these setups now. I mean, it takes you a while to get there, but once you get there, you can almost see it most of the time. I think the hard part is to look and trade when you're not supposed to trade. Like, whenever your setups aren't happening, to try to make something happen. I think that's where I get myself in trouble a lot. Taking those I think trades. Yeah, that's about right, J Money. It takes literally almost 2 years to to really hone in on your setups and to just to feel comfortable. No doubt. All right, let's see if we get through the 90s here. We're at the 50% pullback mark. So we really didn't even get a lot of fireworks at that 58 candle or the 55 candle. So it was a pretty much a dud power hour, except this one good move right here. And if you missed it, that was it. That was a nice 40-point move. We consolidated starting at about 2 o'clock here, 1:30 or 2:30. Consolidated almost all the way right up to 2:30. And that was really the last good move there. We took 30 points out of this one from earlier, Methodical Man. I don't know if you were trading with us or not. Oh, you wasn't trading? I was definitely expecting like I don't know. I can't figure it out either, Fish Lips. Every time I go to it, it won't let me I'll show you what it's showing me whenever I bring up my Discord. Let me find it. All right, so, oh, let me get off that screen. All right, so whenever I go to Discord, you hit invite people, but whenever I hit invite people, it just shows this. And it'll say edit link. Or maybe you got to hit this. I don't know. Never expire, maximum number, create new link. Then it just shows this. I don't know. Does anybody know? It used to have like Discord plus a little link on the end of it, but it doesn't have that now. So I'm not really sure. I'll have to see if I can figure that out this weekend. Yeah, same here. I'm ready for the weekend to start myself. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me today. Thank you for the nice call out there on the long Trader G. Dun, dun, dun. All right, guys, we will see y'all Monday. Thank you.